This is a video on the multiplication algorithm, just multiplying double-digit or triple-digit numbers with a single-digit number. So in this case, I have 16 times by 4. I'm going to rearrange that so that they're written underneath each other here in that algorithm format. And the process here is to simply multiply first by the units. So I'm saying 6 times 4 is 24. I'm writing the 4 down, and I'm just going to hold on to the 2 for later. So 4 times 1 is 4, add the 2 is 6. Let's look at that with something a little bit bigger. 219 multiplied by 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. So I'm writing the 2 down there, holding on to the 7 in this column for a little bit later. 8 times 1 is 8. Now I'm going to add that 7 on. 7 plus 8 is 15. Put the 5 down, hold on to the 1 for later. 8 times 2 is 16. Add the 1 is 17, and because I'm at the end, I'm writing that down. Now there is a longer version of this same process if you're struggling with the holding it on for later bit. The longer version looks like this. I'm going 8 times 9 is 72, and I am writing it down. Now, because I'm now moving along another place, I'm going to write another number down, but to record the fact that I've moved along a place, I put a 0 in here. 8 times 1 is 8, I write that down, and then I move along another place. I've now moved along 2 places, so I put 2 zeros in. 2 times 8 is 16. And then I go and add up down the column. So 2, 0, 0 is 2, 7 and 8 is 15. Carry the 1, 1 and 6 is 7, and 1. So that's 2 different algorithms that essentially add to the same thing. The first one that I did was really just a shortcut version of this one here.